Nev, an excellent win and outstanding performance. I bet you're all happy this evening.
Well, give credit to the players, Steve. They were superb. You know, we had a game plan. Everyone stuck to it. You know, and fantastic performance by the boys to beat a full-time team like TNS. You know, a lot of people would have thought we would have tired second half and they would have took over the game, but more the opposite. And as you say, we've got to be happy with the results. You know, there's not very often that you beat TNS, and as you say, we'll enjoy it. It's a big 3 points for the club, and the players deserve a lot of credit for what they put in tonight.
Would you say that's possibly Aber's best performance of the season, or right up there at least?
It's right up there, definitely, because we had a few lads missing as well with knocks. The lads come in, you know, every one of them was superb. You know, there wasn't a fluke, that result. I think sometimes you come in and see TNS have been beat and you think they've had a bit of luck, the other team, but as you say, we fully deserved that result tonight. Everyone to a man was superb. They all done their jobs. On another day we could have had another 2 or 3 goals, so outstanding performance, but at the end of the day it's only 3 points, and it gets us onto 20 points and closer to where we need to be by January.
And obviously managers can bring players on to score goals. I bet you weren't quite expecting it would be Lee Jenkins.
I said to him the other week, he never lost his place in the team. He come in, he's only 16, he's done a fantastic job, great prospect for the club. I'm sure he'll go and play higher, you know, and he needed a rest and he come out of the team, and it was a good job that we had Alan Goodall there to come in, and he's learned by watching Alan the last 4 or 5 games, and as you say, I only said to him last week he's going to get his turn rather quickly in there, and he's gone on tonight, and we made up for the lad that he's got a goal as well, so fantastic for him. But as you say, it's taking nothing away from the rest of the players. I thought, you know, Alan Edwards centre midfield, Ryan has man-marked him all night and got the better him going the other way as well, so that was an important part in my preparation for the game. Their midfield 3 could win the battles in there, and they've done that. And as you say, we've dominated them at times, and we could have got a couple more, and great win for us.
Is it just focus now on next game?
We've got 2 tough games coming up. As you said to the lads, we haven't done anything yet. We're only on 20 points, and we've got Cardiff, Mets and Bala both away, so we know how tough this league can be, you know. And the pleasing point from my part, from it is, you know, apart from Terry's goal, where he was an own goal last week, we've kept 4 clean sheets now on the bounce, and when you do that, you've got a chance of winning games, because we've got players in there that can hurt teams on the break. So, you know, we're just keeping under the radar. The lads are working hard, and you know, they're enjoying the football. And as you say, we've had a couple of lads injured there tonight. Lads have come in and done a fantastic job, and that says what spirit there is inside that dressing room. And as you say, pleasing from mine and Gavin's point of view that, you know, we give them a plan to do, and they executed it superbly, and they really deserved the win and the 3 points, and it'll be a good weekend for us, and they'll be back down to training hard on Tuesday, ready to go to Cardiff next Sunday, which we know will be a tough game.